After 2 or 3 days, Nazarzoda came to our house at 020 a.m. It was summer. We did not sleep. To be honest, we were shocked by such a delay, but on the other hand, we were happy, because we expected that he would find the debtor and bring the loan amount. We showed him respect and took him to the hotel. Zarzoda Kudratullo entered the house. I threw off the blanket and told him to sit down. I looked at him. This idiot was naked from birth. My hands and legs were shaking from this, and he tortured me, saying in his accent, "Suck me, then I will break yours." To be honest, I never understood what language this Zarzoda was speaking. He even threatened me that if you don't sell me, I will not sell yours. In response, I said, "No, I'm afraid I won't." He said, "Don't be afraid, nothing to say," and came up to me. Since her body was naked, I didn't want to touch her body with all my hands. I just pushed her with one hand.